This week in my social media planner, I've got this little heart-shaped kind of multicolored washi because I'm kind of using multicolored bits and pieces. I've got these two coffee clips from the Felty Depot on Facebook. I like the rainbow colors and then the kind of neutral of this with the heart. From 3 Tiny Bows, I am using the Pink and Blue Planner Essential Kit and then the Coffee and Winter Girl Deco. And my code for her is TTBVANNESSA to save 20%. And I do have the little Instagram and YouTube sticker from the Polka Dot Planner. And the code for her is Vanessa20 to save 25%. And then from J&J Sticker Co. I have the snowflakes. I'm going to use the weekend banner. This is all for Thanksgiving sampler sheet, but I wanted the weekend banner. And then I'm going to use for my marking, I've used one of these stickers and I've laid it out sideways just for the extra color. And the code for her is Vanessa25 to save 25%. So I have went ahead and hand lettered just January and February and put my numbers in and my groups that I PR for. So just trying to change stuff up, so we'll put this in right here. And it doesn't exactly match up with the lines, but that's okay. We'll run the little hearts across the top. I have found that I need a lot more room to put stuff in. I hope your weekend is going well. I'm running behind on stuff. Thankfully, for dinner, I've already made my stuff for this week. Deviled eggs. And I think I'm going to put these 2 trackers down here this week. And I wanted to use this big green weekend. I think I'm going to run it up this way. Just so it adds a lot of color. I have quite a few of these girls, and they're kind of tall. There's various coffees and toboggans. And that gives me a couple more girls to use on another layout. I do think snowflakes are one of my favorite winter accents. Alrighty. Sunday is time to plan. Monday's coffee. Saturday is usually my me time. Oh, I do like this pretty gold coffee cup. So I'm going to put it up here too. Alrighty. And I think that is all I wanted to add for this week. Like I said, I have found in this planner I need more room to write, so I'm tending to keep these layouts a little bit more simple. So there it is. I think that's good. It's got plenty of color and everything I need to write down. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.